Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Zoom call to Skool. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start hosting their coaching calls or community calls on Zoom. So either way, this video is going to be all short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what we're going to do is hop onto our Skool account, and then you're going to click on calendar. So on this calendar, you're going to see all the events that you have lined up for your community. You're going to click on this plus icon next. And then from here, you're basically adding an event. So you can name this event, set the date, the time, the duration, and the time zone. And then with this location set to Zoom, this is where you would actually copy and paste your Zoom link. So once you're done, you can add a description, you can decide who can attend this event, you can set reminders, and you can even set up upload a color image. But that right there, guys, once you click on add, is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and add a Zoom call to Skool. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.